Obamacare lives. The Supreme Court is still attempting not to look at it just as it is just a right-wing, bat crazy court, but rest assured that it didn't win because of the politics of the Supreme Court. It probably won because of the politics of pragmatism, and a loss of Obamacare right now would have ensured the entire defeat of the Republican Party in 2022, because what we would run on is the Republicans have taken away your health care and they are going to let you die. Check it out and then we'll take it on the other side.
For the third time, the U.S. Supreme Court has spared Obamacare from challenges, this time from a group of red states who said the individual mandate was unconstitutional and could not be upheld as a legitimate use of Congress's taxing authority because Congress had later set that tax penalty if you didn't buy insurance at zero. But today, in a 7-2 decision, the Supreme Court simply says that the states who challenged it didn't have the legal standing to bring this case. In other words, they've thrown the case out without ruling on the underlying issue. They basically say that the red states didn't demonstrate that they were injured enough by the Obamacare surviving to be able to bring this challenge into court. Now, the Supreme Court in recent years has been very picky about groups that can come into court, what's known for the lawyers as legal standing, and that's the basis of this decision. So this is not a decision on the merits. This is simply a decision saying these states didn't have the legal standing to bring this case. So what this does is it means that in the future, other states could try again this same legal challenge. And if they can find enough ways to get people together and cobble up another case, Obamacare could face yet another challenge. But for now, Obamacare survives again, a 7-2 decision from the Supreme Court rejecting this challenge without ruling on the underlying case.
While some lawyers are disputing whether other red states could cobble up some other reason to come up and go against what the Supreme Court said, which is that they didn't have enough standing, that they didn't show enough damage or whatever, I tend to agree with him. I do believe that the Supreme Court has left the door open so that when the economy is rejiggered if somehow Republicans are able to take over the economy in some manner, that they could come and address this, and our path to single payer, our path to Medicare for all, they still leave the option, that conversion of Obamacare, which is easier to convert to a single payer system and Medicare for all, that sort of stuff, they would chop that path. In other words, that no part of that ruling makes it that possibility wouldn't occur. But anyhow, for the time being, Obamacare, once again, is safe. We spend a lot of time deconstructing the news, trying to parse it into a form that everybody can understand. We try to find those little nitpicks where it flies above the fray, etc. If you really like these videos that we do, I want to ask a big favor. Please go ahead, number 1, subscribe to our channel, and number 2, please join if you can. Thank you so kindly for watching. Keep watching. Please remember to share. We must populate the entire internet with our progressive message, a message that we know is what most Americans say that they want. So help us, please join.